Oh, Jim, I still see you still got your wife's pants on.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Where's Frankie?
I don't know, dude. You're late.
Well, talk to Hump, dude. He kidnapped me. Where's Mickey? What's going on in the warehouse? Woo, look at all the wheels. You know I'm going to steal some shit, right?
Really?
Yeah. Where's Jack? Jim, why isn't your kid in school?
Because you told me to take him out of school.
And you're listening to me? What's up, Jack? Hey, you didn't go to school today, right?
Nope.
That's what I'm talking about. I didn't go to school either. Look at me.
Steve here?
Steve?
Yeah.
Yep. I want a tour of the Deluxe. Hey, Huff, I'm going to grab a big box, so if you want anything for the shop, I'll sell it to you for half price.